friends, it's Danni here of Danni's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share my November 2022 SheetLoad of cards. I was on the SheetLoad team for quite a while, and I was on the team when this one came out, and I saw that it made 18 cards, and I used my excused absence for that because I was like, I don't need 18 cards. Well, my OCD won't let me move on to a different one until I finish this one. So I decided to go ahead and get it done. And I have to say, I enjoyed making it. And I am severely behind on sending out Happy Mail from my Happy Mail list that's down in the description box. So I thought this would be a great way to have some extra cards to go ahead and send out to that Happy Mail list. So if you're new to SheetLoad, it is a printable that Crafty Owl puts out every month, and you can go to her YouTube channel there. I also have this debut video linked in the description box below. You just need to be a subscriber of her channel, and you can download it for free. She'll give you the supplies needed, how many cards it makes, if you just want to use the sketch on its own, alternatives, and then a cutting guide. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I don't have very many supplies to show you, and only the enamel dots are current. Everything else is retired. But I did use this Fall Sentiments stamp set from Not Too Shabby. It was the September 2022 box of the month. I don't know that I've ever used it, so that was fun. And I did use those dots from Gina Marie Designs. Luckily, I had several sets. Since it did take a lot doing 18 cards, I used the Stampin' Up! Stitched Shapes framelets and then some retired paper from Stampin' Up! And here are good old stack of cards. Because of the mix of patterns, there are 3 different designs. So there's that one, and that one. I also kind of have a bonus because my paper was double-sided and I messed up on this one and put both of them there, but I didn't think it looked bad. Just kind of different. This was a super fun sheet load because it does that split panel, but I still did want to have a place to write, so I did put that on the inside, and I just used some of the extras that was left over. I know you can see through, but I think it just kind of goes with the card design, so I don't think it looks bad at all. So there is my sheet load November 2022. I still have several that I have not, sheet loads that I have not created, and I hope to get those done at some point soon. So thanks so much for stopping by to check out my sheet load. And if you haven't ever heard of it or you need a refresher, head on over to Crafty Owl's channel. Thanks so much and have an amazing day. Bye.